Don't you fret, Monsieur Marius, I don't feel any pain. Little fall of rain can hardly hurt me now. You're here, that's all I need to know. And you will keep me safe, and you will keep me close. And rain will make the flowers grow.
Lift me, dear God above. If I could heal your wounds with words of love.
Just hold me now and let it be. Shelter me, comfort me.
Live 100 years, if I could show you how I won't desert you now.
This rain can't hurt me now. This rain will wash away what's past, and you will keep me safe, and you will keep me close. I'll sleep in your embrace at last. This rain that brings you here is heaven blessed. The skies begin to clear night at last. A breath away from where you are, I've come home from so far. Don't you fret, Marius, I don't feel
any pain.
a little fall of rain can hardly hurt me now. You're here, that's all I need to know. And you will keep me safe, and you will keep me close. And rain will make the flowers.